Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Calculate an estimate of the mean time for the data below. So we've been given a set of data with two columns, one for time and one for frequency. The time column has the entries 0 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20. The frequency column has the values 12, 15, 20, and 6. Now, we're used to calculating the mean of a set of data by adding all the values together and dividing the total by the number of values. Here, because this is grouped data, we can only calculate an estimate of the mean. We'll see how to handle the groups shortly, but to begin with, we're going to find out how many values are in our data by adding up the frequency column. So 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 6 gives us the total 53. So there are 53 values in our data. Now, because 12 of them are in the 0 to 5 group, and we know nothing more about those values other than that they are between 0 and 5, we're going to take an estimate which is the mid value of that group, 0 to 5. We're going to take 2.5 as an estimate of the 12 values in that data. And likewise, we're going to do the same for 6 to 10. The middle value there is 8. For 11 to 15, the middle value is 13. And for 16 to 20, the middle value is 18. So those are an estimate of the values that we have in this data for each of the groups we've been given. The next step is to multiply those together. So we know we've got 12 values. We're saying that those 12 values are all 2.5. So we need to multiply 12 by 2.5. And we know they all add up to 30. 15 times 8 is 120. So we're saying that although there are 15 values between 6 and 10, because the middle value is 8, those values add up to 120. And likewise for the next two groups. So 20 multiplied by 13 is 260. And 6 multiplied by 18 is 108. Now, just like we did with the frequency column, we're going to add those values together. So 30 plus 120 plus 260 plus 108 gives us the total 518. So now we've estimated the total sum of all the values in our data, and we know that there are 53 values. We can estimate the mean in the way we would normally work out the mean for any set of data. That's dividing the total sum by the number of values. So the estimated mean is equal to 518 divided by 53. And if we do that, we get 9.77 to 2 decimal places, or 9.8 to 1 decimal place. We can indicate that in the usual way. So our estimate of the mean time for the data in this grouped frequency table is 9.8.